We are pleased to show you the 2012 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, CD changer, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, power door locks, rear window defroster, daytime running lights, power mirrors. Come take a test drive today.